Alright, so this video I'm going to quickly share with you how you can access and then use an app for supporting your research proposal writing. Okay, so the way you access the app is that either you have the link already or you go to my personal website. Okay, so you go to cong-lem.com. No, sorry, cong-lem.com. Okay, you go to my personal website and then you go to the app thing. Right, now here you see a list of apps. Okay, either you can search for proposal, you see it, or you can just find it. Okay, for example, right here we see proposal. Then there we go. We'll click on the remote. Okay, when you click on the remote one, it will wait and it will load the new page. For this one, you click on continue to app. Okay, now this is the screen. How about you click full screen? Okay, for the full screen, so there's a documentation here. If you want, you can have a read of the description. Otherwise, you can read about. Okay, so this app is developed with the support of Gemini. Okay, now on the left panel, you will see that we have a very basic and also very intuitive. It's very standard. Okay, so we got a title, we got abstract, introduction, theoretical framework, attribute, methodology. Okay, so these are the very keys components. Now it will this app is meant to support you to learn and then to write to. So you have a few options. For example, you click on the introduction. um, Specifically, you see that you got the learn option to get running feedback, to get coherence feedback. Basically mean you can just put the whole paper in and or your proposal in to check for coherence. But often we will focus on learn, get running feedback, generate vocabularies and ask questions. How about we try one? For example, in your introduction, we have the background study. Okay, or we got research purpose statement of problems and like that. Now, what is the background of the study? For example, if you want, you're not sure what it is, you click on learn. Okay, and you give it a second for it to load it. Well, it does depends on the speed of the app itself and your internet connection too. So it may take a bit of time to load. So be patient. All right. So the background of study. Um, so it give you an example. The increasing global interconnected and demand for effective cross-cultural communication, thing like that. All right. And then it explains what is the background of study. Okay, the background study is essential preliminary section in applied linguistics research proposal. It serves as the foundation upon which your proposal should stand. It, it will explain also the function, the goals, and even the subcomponent. Okay, and how to write. Okay, so which is quite good. The same thing you can do for any other one. For example, you go to data analysis. If you already have something, you can click get writing feedback. Otherwise, you click learn about data analysis too. Okay, and it will also show you how. It will also teach you about the data analysis. All right, sample data analysis section. Okay, to give you a samples, it explains to you what is the data analysis section is, what it is primary function and goals, what is the sub components, how it, what are you going to do with quant and qual. Okay, and step by step how to write this. the app is tailored according to my requirements, so this is quite useful. So we got ethical consideration too. Okay. Now something that you can do is to, how about we try the generate vocabulary one. So this function, it actually will generate a list of relevant concepts and terms that you may need to learn and to use to write for that specific section. Okay, so it's good to have an overview of what the new words and new vocabularies that you need to learn. Now, it's not just vocabulary, it is also about phrases they can use to write. Okay, so the phrases to set the stage. For example, this section outlines the comprehensive ethical framework, or reflects the principle of, okay, identify potential risk. Ethical concerns include the sensitive nature of personal narratives, explanation. Okay, so these are all of uh, the knowledge and the phrase you can use. Participant will be provided, with a participant information sheet. Consent is very important when you do research. Okay, uh, the same thing for anonymity and confidentiality. Okay, so uh, it provides you with a lot of information, and also the requirements, the phrase to use. Okay, all right, that's pretty much for a quick uh, tutorial on the app. I hope you find it useful, and also this app will be refined in the future to make it even better. All right, thanks for watching. Bye for now.